Friends of CSITA, today we are entering into a new chapter, that is power of attorney of CSITA. We know that CSITA company has not been conducted any election, valid election. That means there is no membership list till date. You know, there is no property list, no the membership list, but there is election, that you know. So you see, there are power of attorney, it is given to the units. How it is? Please note that there is the company, CSITA company has no property list, but it is giving power of attorney to anybody or somebody, or we can say, we cannot say who, to whom it is given. Each and every unit, they are giving power of attorney with the help of 100 rupees stamp paper. As per the Power of Attorney Act, the stamp paper should be registered. Registered power of attorney alone shall be valid. Till there is no registered power of attorney has given to the units. One thing. Another thing is, how it is possible to run a company with the help of power of attorney? Company should have, company is having registration, company is having articles of association, company is having a memorandum of association. On this situation, the company should act according to the power of attorney, according to the articles and memorandum, because CSITA company is a registered company under the purview of the Government of India. Here, they are giving power of attorney without mentioning anything. In the according to the registration of CSITA, no ground for power of attorney, but they are giving to the to somebody, stating that you can lease the property, sell the property, and purchase the property, etc., 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 etc. But without mentioning the properties. Is it possible? Note that power of attorney has to be given to a specific purpose. That also the power of attorney should be given based on the resolutions of the company. Based on the resolution of the company only, the company has to give power of attorney to somebody, not a company, individual. How a company can do? Say for example, if a state government is there, do you think the state government is giving power of attorney to the district administrations? How it is? Because the company is having articles, memorandum, and orders, regulations, constitution. Based on that constitution only, the branches should run. This sub-unit has to run. Here, without mentioning anything, these people are giving power of attorney to somebody, maybe an employee of evangelical department. Say for example, bishops are given power of attorney with the help of 100 rupees stamp, without registration, without resolution. Nothing is there. Creating fake documents, they are doing such a things. Using this fake document, these employees selling the property of CSITA and selling the institutions sometimes, and leasing the land for 20 years, 25 years, 50 years, 100 years. Then after getting the lease, the particular person is registering his own company or own registration, own society, and running it. After that, he is claiming that it is my property. These are all the things happening in all over South India. We lost more than 500 institutions, very great institutions, colleges, medical colleges, and very great educational institutions, properties. All these things were leased out with the style of these things. So my question is it a valid one? Is it possible to do it? So say for example, I had a document in Kanyakumari unit. A bishop has given a document to the educational department stating that he is the chairman of CSITA company. How an employee can be the chairman of the company? No, it cannot. It's a fake document, forgery document, creating forgery document, cheating the people, cheating the company beneficiaries, cheating the government of India and income tax department. All the things were cheated. In all the departments, these fake documents were created with the help of this fake power of attorney. So my dear friends, is it this power of attorney is valid? With the help of this power of attorney, is it valid to sell the property or lease the property or buy the property or do anything, manage the company, institutions or anything? They cannot. It is a forgery, fake document. Please understand. Nearby your place, we know that there are properties it were leased out for 20 years or 50 years. What is our aim? Past 75 years, this practice was existing in all over the world, and the company lost its capacity, they lost its faith, lost its Christianity, lost its properties, everything they have done illegally. What shall you do? Now you understand that no unregistered power of attorney is valid. Company cannot give power of attorney to anybody. Company cannot give power of attorney without mentioning the specific purpose. The company cannot give power of attorney for somebody. Sometimes they don't know who are all coming up without having a special class in the articles and memorandum of the CSITA. How they can give? Nothing is there. No the resolution, no election of CSITA company, illegal election is conducted. These are all the things it is existing in the CSITA company. My dear friends, if anywhere or nearby your place, if there is such a illegality it is happening at there, it is a criminal one. What we are expecting from you is file a criminal case against the person who are all signed by using this forgery document. Please note that without such a things, if it is there, that is called as a forgery document, only created for cheating the government, cheating the company, cheating the beneficiaries. So you file the criminal cases against such a matters. It is happening nearby your place, nearby your unit or subunits. Thank you very much. At the same time, please note that we are giving awareness by way of YouTube videos, and started this charity CSITA the channel, and subscribe it and click the bell button. Then only all videos that will come to you directly, and you can see, and we can take the company based on regulations, based on our Christianity, and the company has to do its aims and objectives. Thank you.